Hello everybody, I'm Anna Vanilla, as you already know, and I thought to do a new video to let you know that I'm fine. I've been ill again. I'm sorry, it's the same story about being ill, but what can I do really? But to be honest, I missed you very much, and I was thinking about what videos to do for you to surprise you, to make you feel fun watching my videos, and so that all of you can just enjoy what I'm uploading. I'm no longer on OnlyFans because I thought it's just something too much for me. I just don't have time for it, and obviously I'm not too I mean, I'm not shy, but I just find things like at OnlyFans, people expect me to show too much, and I just can't do that. Yes, I could be sexy, I can play around, I can be fun, but I just can't just be naked, and not even for money, so I can't do that. So I'm sorry to disappoint you that I'm no longer having OnlyFans account. So I will be uploading videos, fresh content on YouTube, and to let you know what else I'm doing in my life. So see you in the next video.